5 Amazon deals you want to grab now. Number 4 is a massive 33% off. And don't forget, links are in the description for your convenience. Halloween is coming up. These Bluetooth glasses are 17% off. Use these for that upcoming party. Elevate your space with an odor-neutralizing smart trash can. No more lingering smells. Secure your home with a fingerprint door lock. Keyless entry, total peace of mind. This 3D printing pen is an insane 33% off. Great for DIY fixes or creative projects. Enjoy your music anywhere with a floating pool speaker. Perfect for pool days or showers. You can even take hands-free calls. That's today's top 5. I post fresh Amazon finds every day. Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Bandit out.